Hey guys, so apparently we're supposed to get like a winter storm warning or a winter storm, and the reason why I'm making this video is I think students nowadays, when I was growing up in the 90s, because I was born in the 90s, and like went like to elementary school and like grew up like doing school in person like every single day. We didn't have e-learning or virtual learning when there was snow day, when there was like potential like snowy weather. Like we would just have a snow day, and like those days were the best days ever because I would literally pull my siblings like in sleds on the back of my chair, and like we would have snowball fights. Like we would, I would pull them. They would put their rollerblades on, and we would tie a rope on the back of my chair, and they would call it skiing, and they would like ski on the back of my chair. Um, and we would have like sibling snowball fights and stuff. And I think kids nowadays should be able to have snow days and like be able to um, experience what a snow day is like, and kind of like forget about school for a while and just be a kid, because that's what a kid is all about, like having like not a care in the world about anything. So um I think students nowadays should just enjoy having snow days and like not having to worry about like schoolwork, and just like enjoy playing around with their friends, making snowmen, all that kind of stuff. Because they're like kids are gonna look back on stuff like that and always like remember those memories when they get older. At least for me, I did, and that was the best part about like growing up. We would like I remember one night we were driving home from church, and it was snowing, and we got home. Everyone put their like snow gear on, snow jacket, snow pants, and we all went outside and played with the neighborhood kids. And our parents just like sat on the driveway drinking hot chocolate, and it was like the best memory ever. We had so much fun. We had the best time and best cul-de-sac ever. When I was growing up, we had like a bunch of friends that would always go like sledding with us and everything. So those are the memories that I remember. And I think kids nowadays should be able to enjoy that experience. So, like, kids need to learn to be kids. Like, they work so hard in school, and I just feel like they deserve a break when it's like snowing out, and they shouldn't have to worry about e-learning, because I know like learning is important, but like at least for me, I would rather learn in person in front of a teacher like telling me what to do. I think virtually e-learning would be really difficult if I had to do that. Like teach myself. I'm a visual person, so like I like the teacher to be in front of me and explaining to me like what I needed to do, like, and I liked it better when homework assignments were like on like paper and the teachers were explaining it to me in class and like teaching it to us in class. We didn't really have to like teach ourselves to do it. But yeah, and that's what I liked about school so much is we didn't have to worry about like e-learning or virtually learning because we had like our teachers right in front of us, like explaining what we had to do in class and what we had to do for homework. But yeah, I just, kids need to enjoy being kids, and like having snow days will be their best memories about like their childhood. And so yeah, but if you like this video, give it a like, smash that like button. Tell me some memories that you had as a 90s kid growing up. When it was snowing out, what would you do with your siblings and your family? Would you go sledding? Would you go rollerblading? Like, what would you guys do? So, if you like this video, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button for more awesome videos, guys. And I will see you guys later. All right, bye.